Hey, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our deep dive into the fascinating world of space shuttles. Last time we covered the basics, but today we're going to explore some mind-blowing details that'll make you see these incredible machines in a whole new light. Did you know that every space shuttle that ever launched was actually made up of four main components? You had the orbiter. That's the part most people think of when they picture a space shuttle. Then there was the external tank and two solid rocket boosters. It's like a cosmic puzzle, and each piece had to work perfectly together. Let me tell you something amazing about the heat shields. When the shuttle re-entered Earth's atmosphere, temperatures would reach up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt steel, but the specially designed tiles could cool down so quickly that you could touch them with your bare hands just minutes after landing. Pretty cool, right? And speaking of cool, the space shuttle's main engines were absolute engineering marvels. Each one had about the same power as 39 Hoover dams. Imagine that kind of power strapped to your back. During launch, they'd burn through liquid hydrogen and oxygen at a rate that could empty an average family swimming pool in under 25 seconds. Here's a fun fact that'll blow your mind. The computer that guided the first space shuttles had less processing power than your smartphone. Yet, these incredible machines carried out some of humanity's most ambitious space missions, from launching satellites to building the International Space Station. The shuttle program also gave us some amazing innovations we use today. The memory foam in your mattress? Thank the Space Shuttle program. Those scratch-resistant lenses in your glasses? Yep, Space Shuttle technology. Even the cordless tools in your garage have roots in Space Shuttle development. One of the most impressive things about the Space Shuttle was its ability to glide back to Earth without any power. Imagine piloting a 165,000-pound glider. The pilots only got one chance to land it right. There was no option to pull up and try again. You know what's particularly fascinating? The Space Shuttle's robot arm, officially called the Canadarm, was so precise it could handle objects with the delicacy of a human hand despite being 50 feet long. It was like having a giant, super-precise mechanic in space. Before we wrap up this cosmic journey, let me share one last mind-bending fact. Throughout the entire Space Shuttle program, the combined distance traveled by all orbiters was more than 513 million miles. That's enough to get to Jupiter and back, twice. I hope you're enjoying this deep dive into Space Shuttle history. If you're loving these space facts as much as I do, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite Space Shuttle fact, and subscribe for more amazing space content. Stay curious, space fans, and I'll see you in the next video.